दिस इज माय बेस पोजीशन। आपको पीछे जो होल्ड करके रखना है, सपोर्ट योर बैक विद योर हैंड, इस तरह पीछे से, दैट्स हाउ यू विल सपोर्ट इट। रिलैक्स हो जाइए आप, रिलैक्स, कंप्लीटली रिलैक्स। पूरा वेट जो होगा वो हाथ पे रहेगा पीछे। सो आई स्टार्ट विद माय टोज। सो जब मैं टोज बाहर जाएंगे तो आउट, एंड एज द टोज कम्स इन, out. Only use your nose for breathing, don't use your mouth. In, out, in, out, and in. And now entire feet, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And now rotate your feet. Upward movement पे in, downward movement पे out. As the feet are coming towards you in, और जब वो नीचे जा रही है तो out. In, out. And now reverse it. Upward movement पे in, downward movement पे out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Wonderful. Now hold your right leg. Maybe you can start with left or right, whatever. I prefer left always. So hold it like this. हाथ को ऐसे लॉक बना के इसको होल्ड करना है, तो bring it towards yourself. इसको फिर सीधा करना है जितना हो जाए, and take it forward. Bring it, हाथ से, all your strength from hand and out. Now this is out, then in, out, and then in, out, then in. Similarly, we'll do it for right leg, out, open your legs, in, out, open your legs, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Again, go back to your left leg, bring it up and hold it like this. You have to lock it near to your body, near to your chest. You have to hold it. अपने ankle को, feet को straight करना है ऐसे. It should not be like this. Straight and rotate. You have to rotate it. Make as big circle as possible. So upward movement पे in, downward movement पे out. Upward movement पे in, downward पे out. In, out. And in reverse direction. In and out. Wonderful. Slowly let it go. ना jerk के साथ नहीं करना है, बहुत slowly let it go. Bring it. Keep focusing on your breathing. Same thing. Upward पे in, downward पे out. In and out. In and out. In and out. And in reverse direction. and slowly let it go without jerk. Now lift your leg like this, left leg, and put it on your right thighs. Put it on your right thighs, relaxed position में ना, बैक स्ट्रेट, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स्ड. इसको टोज को होल्ड करना है, अपने लेग के टो को, इसको ऐसे रोटेट करना है. तो रोटेट इट लाइक दिस, रोटेट इट. सेम अपवर्ड मूवमेंट पे इन, डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट पे आउट, इन एंड आउट, एंड इन रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. Keep it relaxed. Wonderful. अब लेग को स्लोली दोनों हाथ से पकड़ के you have to release it. जर्क के साथ नहीं, otherwise you might injure your knee. सुबह का समय है, entire body is stiff. Same thing with your right leg. Put it on left thigh and rotate it. Again, in the opposite direction, upward movement पे in, downward movement पे out. And slowly let it go. For next exercise, what you have to do is again fold your left leg. And इसको जितने पास अपने ला सकते हो उतना अच्छा है. जितने पास, एकदम यहाँ पे on your thighs, put it like this, right? Put it like this, and now you have to squeeze it like this, and let it go on the floor. Okay, मैं angle change करके एक बार दिखा देता हूँ how you have to do it. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. To bring it near you, squeeze it. उसके बाद you have to push it down. ना, फ्लोर टच कराने की कोशिश करिए. अगर नहीं कर रहा है, don't worry about it. Right? Again, right? And put it down. Squeeze it and push on the floor. And then slowly let it go. बहुत slowly, पूरे हाथ से ना, बिना हाथ के यूज के इसको ओपन नहीं करना है लेग्स को. Again, use your hand to bring legs towards yourself. If you can see, it is completely lying on my thighs, upper portion of thigh. So out, so you're breathing, and in, and press it down. Out, in, out, and in. Okay. Now, let it go. Again, you have to bring it back. Left leg. Wonderful. अब लेफ्ट लेग को राइट, लेफ्ट एंकल को राइट हैंड से होल्ड करना है. एंकल को राइट, दिस माय लेफ्ट हैंड, इट्स लाइंग लाइक दिस, और मेरी फिंगर्स बाहर पॉइंटेड है. दिस माय इंडेक्स फिंगर इज पॉइंटेड आउट. अब इससे सर्किल बनाना है. फोकस ऑन योर इंडेक्स फिंगर, क्रिएट अ परफेक्ट सर्किल. सो दिस इज फॉर हिप जॉइंट रोटेशन. सो बेसिकली जो मेरे हिप जॉइंट्स है वो रोटेट हो रहे हैं. इट विल ओपन अप. So upward movement in, downward movement out. So this is completely for hip joint rotation. Again, reverse direction में. So सिर्फ hips joints rotate होंगे इसमें. Wonderful. Slowly open up and let it go. So again, I'll show you a different direction. This I'm doing off the right leg and put it like this. Hold it from my left hand. ना, ये knees एकदम straight होनी चाहिए. It should not be bent. Other knee जो leg straight है, एकदम knee straight होनी चाहिए. And what I'm doing is I'm rotating my hip joint. ये हाथ, use your hand to do it. पैर से नहीं हो पाएगा, तो यूज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ योर हैंड and try to make a perfect circle, as big circle as possible, and in opposite direction. Upward movement in, downward out. Great. Right. Now, you can change the position. दोनों फीट्स को अपने पास लाना है तितली आसन करने के लिए. Sit like this. Then hold it. दोनों पैर को होल्ड करके again back straight, shoulders relaxed. Focus on your thighs. Thighs को relax रखना है एकदम. Keep focusing on your thighs. Breathe normally. Great. Stop it. अभी क्या करना है कि no, I have to come forward. Yeah? दोनों हाथ आगे. इसे जमीन को टच करना है. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Right? Now, as you exhale, relax your thighs. In. As you exhale, relax your thighs. Now, keep focusing on your thighs. In. As you exhale, relax your thighs. Again, in. As you exhale, relax your thighs. और thighs को relax रख के थोड़ा सा आगे आइए. Walk from your fingers. Come in front, look down. As you exhale, relax your thighs. As you exhale, relax. Keep relaxing on your thighs. Keep focusing on your thighs. Keep focusing. Relax your thighs and come little more forward. Walk from your fingers. And slowly come back. Slowly come back. Relax slowly. Just once. Again, bring it back in Siddhasana. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं कि either right or left leg, मैंने left use किया है, bring it as near as possible, ना, right? क्योंकि आपके heels जो है, it should touch you, heels, ना, left foot. अभी मैं right foot को इसके ऊपर रखता हूँ. मैंने ये आसन इसलिए बताया, it's one of the easiest to practice, ना, और इसमें बहुत देर तक बैठा जा सकता है. पलथी मार के आप बैठेंगे तो cannot sit long. सेकेंड चीज क्या है कि कोई भी हम इस तरह के फीट्स को क्रॉस करते हैं, द इंटेंशन इज टू मेक अ स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. तो अगर आप पलथी मार के बैठते हैं, जनरली स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट रखना बहुत मुश्किल है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट आसन टू सिट. तो मेरा लेफ्ट लेग मैंने अपने पास लाया, हील्स आर टचिंग मी, लेफ्ट लेग की, देन राइट फीट इज जस्ट ओवर लेफ्ट फीट. यू सी इट? ग्रेट. एंड देन स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. और जब हम लोग आसन में बैठेंगे, there are only 3 positions that you have to follow as of now. Either the fingers कैसे करना है, either it should be down, it should be up, or it should be like this. ना, this is 3 ना, nothing like this. Otherwise spine अपने आप bend हो जाएगी. You sit like this and you cannot bend your spine. It's very difficult. Or you can do like this. Okay. So with your hand back straight, shoulders relaxed, and then stretch your fingers. Close your fist. मुट्ठी बंद करनी है, अंगूठा अंदर रहेगा. Stretch your fingers and close the fist. In and out. In and out. In and out. Open it, सारी fingers साथ में, and we go up and down. In and out. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. In and out. in and out, and slowly come back. इन दोनों थाइस को रिलैक्स रखना है. There should not be any stiffness. Focus on your breathing. स्टमक पे, यहाँ पे, should breathe from here. अगर कहीं पे हार्ट बीट बढ़ रही है तो स्टॉप, डोंट डू इट. हार्ट बीट कहीं भी नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए. Okay, again, stand up, back straight, shoulder relaxed, close, make a fist and rotate. Upward movement in, downward out. Slowly, smooth movement होंगे. And reverse. Upward movement in, downward out. Keep focusing on your breathing, or maybe the joint movement, and then side. Reverse. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. And then up. Back straight. And reverse. Keep focusing on the wrist joint जहाँ पे movement हो रहा है. And slowly bring it back. Slowly. And relax. Focus on your breathing. यहाँ से breathe करते रहना है. दोनों हाथ सामने. This palm up, right? Back straight, shoulder relaxed. Fold it. Touch your shoulder. Open it. Out. Then in. Out. In. Out. And in. And then open it up sidewise. Out. Back straight. Shoulders relaxed. Out. In. Out. In. Out. And in. And then again come back. And relax. Keep your back straight. Shoulders relaxed. See, your back straight रखोगे तो it will give you a lot of strength to your spine. किसी भी तरह का back pain नहीं होगा in future. Again, इस बार left hand को ऐसे उठाना है सामने. Left hand front. Right hand जो होगा biceps के नीचे. Can you see कहाँ position है? Elbow के पीछे है मेरा. So my left hand is resting on right hand. Okay. Now you have to rotate it. Make a big circle, as big as possible. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. In. Is it going away? Is it coming towards you? Out. In. Out. And reverse. Hand is lying, left hand is lying on your right hand. So you feel pressure on your right hand. Left hand is completely relaxed. Wonderful. Come down. Same thing with right hand. Up. यहाँ से support देना है. And rotate. Like a smooth circle. The movement should be very smooth. And reverse. And bring it back. Focus on your breathing. यहाँ पे keep breathing from the stomach. Okay, फिर से hold both one like this. Shoulders को touch करना है. And you have to rotate. Make as big circle as possible. As it's opening up in, as it's coming together out. In, out. In, and out. And reverse. In, and out. In, and out. Slowly. You have to do it slowly. जल्दी नहीं करना है. Slowly. In, and out. Relax. अब neck की exercise करेंगे. इसके लिए entire neck exercise, make sure the back is straight and shoulders एकदम relax रहेंगे. So for me, this is one of the most comfortable position. You can put like this or this. जो भी आपको पसंद है तीनों में से. For me, this is a comfortable one. Down. Back bend नहीं होनी चाहिए. पूरा movement सिर्फ neck से हो रहा है. As it comes down, out. As it goes up, in. Out. And in. Out. In. Out. In. Now center. The sidewise movement. You have to look towards the left and slowly towards the right. And focus on your chin. The move, this chin should direct the movement. सामने देखना है, नीचे नहीं, ऊपर नहीं, सामने. And focus on your chin. The chin should direct the movement. See that? Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Now I will tilt my head like this. Now you have to focus at the top of your head. Direct your movement from top of your head. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. Now you have to rotate your head. Slowly करना है, बहुत slowly, बिल्कुल तेजी से नहीं करना है. Slowly, and it has to be a very smooth movement. As it goes back in, and it comes forward, out. In and out. In, out, and change the direction. Now open your leg very slowly. Slowly इसको open करना है. With stiff, जल्दी में नहीं करना है. Slowly, slowly, slowly. बहुत slowly. इसको straight करना है. Just a little bit. थोड़ा सा movement कर लो आप, ताकि flexible हो जाए. And now lie down. 15 more minutes. So lie down straight. Arm facing up. Arm should be facing up. Lie down. Focus on your breathing. Here. Great. So this exercise is mainly for legs and back. So I'll start with my left leg. Inhale करते हुए, in and hold the position and breathing also, and out. इसे in, जितना ऊपर तक जा सकता है, knees बिल्कुल भी bend नहीं होनी चाहिए for both the legs. Hold and out. Slowly in, hold and out. In, hold and out. Breathing को sync करिए. That is very important. Breathing. Don't ignore the breathing. Again, now change the leg. Right leg in and hold and out. In, hold, out. In, hold, out. In, hold, and out. अभी दोनों पैर को एक साथ उठाना है और first you have to inhale, fill your stomach with air, then lift, hold and exhale करते हुए नीचे लाना है. अगर बैक में स्ट्रेन पड़ रहा है, don't do it. अगर कोई बैक प्रॉब्लम है currently, you can avoid it. So inhale first in and lift and hold. Exhale करते हुए नीचे, out and down. 2 more times. In and up, hold, out and down. One more time. In, up, hold, out and down. And relax. Focus on your breathing. Breathe from your nose only. Mouth का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. Okay, next one. So left leg को थोड़ा सा lift करना है, just 6 inch above the ground, left leg, and then you have to rotate it. Make as big circle as possible. ना, अब ये दोबारा फ्लोर को टच नहीं करेगा, इट हैज टू बी लाइक दिस। Make as big circle as possible. Knees को straight रखना है and opposite direction. Change direction. And bring it down. Same thing with right leg. Lift it and rotate. Upward movement पे in, downward movement पे out. Opposite direction. Upward movement पे in, downward पे out. In and out. Wonderful. Relax a little. अब दोनों पैर से एक साथ करेंगे लिफ्ट करके, राइट? और अगर स्ट्रेन पड़ रहा है, डोंट स्ट्रेच योरसेल्फ. Don't do it. You can avoid it. It takes little effort to do it. Right? तो दोनों पैर को एक साथ लिफ्ट करेंगे 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Lift and rotate. Slowly. Upward movement पे in, downward पे out. And relax. Focus on your breathing, stomach. Breathe from your stomach. Let your breathing become normal. Heart rate should not go up. Relax. We will do cycling from left leg. We start from left. So hold it like this and cycle just from one leg. Out as it goes in. As the leg comes towards you, out and in. Out, in. Reverse cycling, out, in. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Now right leg, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And reverse. Out, in. Yes, we're doing reverse cycling. अब दोनों पैर से साइकिल करेंगे, ब्रीथ नॉर्मली, दोनों पैर लिफ्ट करके and then you do cycle for both the legs. Reverse. Keep breathing normally, and relax. Focus on your breathing. Great. अब दोनों पैर से एक साथ साइकिल करना है. Both the feet together and out and in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. And reverse. Out, in. Out, in. Great. Relax. और next exercise, listen to it carefully. इसको wrong मत करिएगा. This is something which tremendously improves the digestion. और इसको हम right leg से start करेंगे और 3 बार से ज़्यादा नहीं करनी है. You have to do it 3 times, only 3 times, right? So you have to lift your right leg. Start with right leg, always, and don't do it more than 3 times. Right leg, इसको hold करना है, like this. Hold it. Now inhale. पेट को पूरे हवा से भर लेना. इनहेल करके अच्छे से एम. एक्सहेल करते हुए यू हैव टू लिफ्ट. एक्सहेल करते हुए and touch your knee with your nose. Hold it. Then in करते हुए वापस. Again in. एक्सहेल करते हुए अप. Hold it. And in and back. फिर से in. एक्सहेल करते हुए अप. Hold it. And back. Only 3 times and let it go. You do it 3 times. And wait. Same thing with the left leg. Hold it. In, out, and up. And hold. In. Again, in, out, and up. Hold. Back. सिर्फ नोज को ब्रीदिंग सारी नोज से करनी है. माउथ का बिल्कुल यूज नहीं होगा. योर टेम्परेचर विल गो अप. In, out, and up. Hold. And come back. Great. Okay. Just couple of more exercises. दोनों पैर एक साथ फोल्ड करना है. Hold it. दोनों पैर से करना है सेम चीज. जो nose होगी, it will be between your knees. In, out, and up. And down. In, out, and up. Hold, in, and back. In, out, and up. And let it go. Great. We'll do 2-3 more exercises to relax our body. बहुत important है. Don't leave it. Great. Now spread your hands like this. Spread your hands like this. Fold your right leg. Right leg fold करके left knee के ऊपर आएगा. To spread your hand first. Right leg fold up left knee के. Now use your left hand to pull it down. इसको फ्लोर से टच कराने की कोशिश करना है. And look in the opposite direction. I am seeing my right palm. और लेफ्ट हैंड से पैर को मैं नीचे ला रहा हूँ. Look at the right palm. Hold it, hold it. Keep breathing it out. जितना फ्लोर के पास ला सकते हो अपनी knees को उतना अच्छा है. Keep pulling it down. Keep pulling it down. Wonderful. Slowly come back to the mat. Neutral position. Central position. Open your arms. Fold your left leg. Put it on right knee. Use your right hand. Push left leg down. Look in the opposite direction. I am looking at my left palm. Wonderful. Keep holding, keep pushing it down. Relax your body. And keep looking towards your left palm. Slowly bring it down. Now, दोनों हाथ को फोल्ड करके सर के नीचे रखना है. दोनों हाथ को फोल्ड करके सर के नीचे. Fold your legs. Fold your legs. You can do either way. सर के नीचे भी रख सकते हो और you can put your arms like this. Whichever way you feel comfortable. So I drop my knee towards left, both the knees, and look towards right. इसको फ्लोर टच कराने की कोशिश करो. Hold it. Again in the opposite direction. The knees are going towards right, and I am looking towards left. Hold it and bring it back. Wonderful. अभी पैर को लिफ्ट करके अपने पास लाना है. Lift it like this. And again do it on the floor. Look in the opposite direction. This is what is in your spine. And other side. Leg is going towards right, and I am looking towards left. My feet are in the air. वो जमीन पे नहीं रखी है feet. and you come back and relax. So just one last exercise. इसमें क्या करना है कि palm will be facing down, palm will be facing down. इसमें सर को, पैर को और हाथ को तीनों को थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर उठाना है, like this and hold it. Hold it. Keep holding, keep holding. And down. Relax. Normal breathing. One last exercise. सेम चीज हम लोग दोबारा करेंगे. अपनी फीट्स को, हैंड को और सर को ऊपर उठाएंगे, लेकिन जब इस बार आप ऊपर करोगे तो you have to stiff your body as much as possible. Every single muscle you have to stiff. फेस की मसल, सर की, नेक, चेस्ट, स्टमक, पूरे हाथ की मसल देगा. फिस्ट लाइक दिस, क्लोज फिस्ट, टाइट, थाइस, फीट, सब कुछ स्टिफ करना है. एंड होल्ड इट एज लॉन्ग एज पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट इनहेल करेंगे, इन, अप एंड स्टिफ योर मसल. And relax.